Picture this. You hop in your car on a cold morning and the windshield is completely fogged up. You can't see a thing. Or you grip the steering wheel and it feels dry, cracked, and uncomfortable. Your wipers streak badly in the rain, small rust spots are starting to appear, and every time you go to the detailer or mechanic, the bill keeps getting bigger. Most drivers have no idea that simple, everyday items sitting in their kitchen or garage can solve these problems for pennies. Over 90% of car owners are completely unaware these genius car hacks even exist. Some will save you hundreds at the detailing shop, while others will prevent expensive repairs that mechanics and body shops make thousands of dollars from every single day. They definitely don't share these with you. Before you spend one more dollar on overpriced products or professional services, I'm revealing 15 of the smartest, most effective car hacks that actually work. I'm counting them down from 15 to the powerful number 1 trick at the end. These are shop-proven, tested over years, and incredibly easy to do in your own driveway. Stick with me until the very end. You're going to learn things that can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars this year alone. Let's make your car look better, run safer, and cost you way less. Here we go. Hack number 15. The Potato Windshield Anti-Fog Trick. Your windshield constantly fogs up, especially in rain, cold weather, or when the heater is on. You're wiping it frantically while driving. Dangerous and frustrating. Here's the shockingly simple solution. Cut a raw potato in half and rub the cut side all over the inside of your windshield using circular motions. Let it sit for about a minute until it dries. Then buff it clean with a microfiber cloth or old newspaper. The natural starches in the potato create an invisible hydrophobic coating that prevents moisture from sticking to the glass. Your windshield stays crystal clear even in humid or freezing conditions. One single potato costs almost nothing and can treat every window in your car multiple times. What they don't tell you is that expensive anti-fog sprays use almost the exact same principle, creating a barrier that water can't cling to. The potato does it naturally and for free. Pro tip: do this every few weeks for best results, especially before long trips or rainy seasons. You'll avoid dangerous foggy driving and never buy overpriced chemical sprays again. Hack number 14. Restore your steering wheel with Vaseline. Is your leather or vinyl steering wheel dry, cracked, shiny in the wrong places, and rough to the touch? It looks old and feels uncomfortable every single time you drive. Don't pay the detailing shop $60 to $100 for a leather conditioning service. Instead, take plain Vaseline, petroleum jelly, and rub a small amount thoroughly into the wheel with your fingers or a soft cloth. Work it deep into all the cracks and textured areas. Let it absorb for 5 to 10 minutes, then buff away any excess with a clean microfiber cloth. The Vaseline penetrates the material, restores lost moisture, fills minor cracks, and creates a protective barrier against UV damage and further drying. Your steering wheel will feel soft, supple, and look rejuvenated again. One small jar costs around $4 and can last for dozens of treatments, years of protection. Regular use prevents deep cracking that eventually forces you to replace or rewrap the entire steering wheel for $200 to $500. This is one of those simple tricks that keeps your interior looking professionally maintained without the recurring shop bills. Hack number 13. Revive wiper blades with WD-40. Wiper blades chattering, skipping, and leaving horrible streaks across your windshield in the rain? It's not only annoying but dangerous because your visibility drops dramatically. Before you rush out and buy new blades for $40 to $70, try this mechanic secret. Spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a clean cloth, never directly on the blades, and wipe down the entire length of each rubber edge on both sides. Then follow up by wiping with a slightly damp cloth to remove any residue. This removes built-up road grime, bug residue, tar, and wax that cause poor contact with the glass. Your wipers will glide smoothly again like they're brand new. You can easily extend their life by many months. What most people don't realize is that wiper failure is almost always caused by contamination, not actual rubber wear. This same method also cleans stubborn water spots off your windshield that normal glass cleaners can't touch. Hack number 12. Fix sticky seat belts with silicone spray. Seat belts that stick, catch, or retract slowly. Not only is it frustrating every time you get in and out of the car, but it's a serious safety concern. A seat belt that doesn't work properly can't protect you effectively in an accident. Pull the belt all the way out and lightly spray silicone lubricant along the entire webbing on both sides. Let it dry for a minute, then retract and extend the belt several times. This lubricates the retractor mechanism and removes dirt and friction. 1 can of silicone spray costs about $6 and can treat every seat belt in multiple vehicles. You'll avoid $150 to $300 per seat on expensive replacements. Important warning: use it lightly. Too much can make the belt slippery, which reduces its gripping power in a crash. Hack number 11. Stop door squeaks and sticking with baby powder. Doors squeaking loudly, rubber seals sticking, or making annoying groaning sounds when you open and close them. Sprinkle or apply baby powder generously along all the rubber door seals, especially where rubber meets rubber or metal. Work it in well with your fingers or a cloth. The powder creates a dry lubricant that eliminates friction, absorbs moisture, and even prevents mold growth. A bottle costs just $4 and treats your entire car many times. This simple trick can save you $50 to $150 in shop lubrication or seal replacement services. Hack number 10. Clean tire sidewalls with Coca-Cola. Tire sidewalls looking brown, dull, and covered in stubborn brake dust and grime? Pour regular Coca-Cola directly onto the sidewalls. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes so the phosphoric acid can break down the dirt. Then scrub with a stiff brush and rinse thoroughly with water. For that extra showroom shine, finish with a light coat of Vaseline. A 2-liter bottle costs around $2 and can clean all 4 tires multiple times. Detailers charge $40 to $80 for the same visual upgrade. Hack number 9. Remove tree sap, tar and bugs with WD-40. Sticky tree sap, road tar, or baked-on bug splatter ruining your paint. Spray WD-40 directly on the affected areas. Let it penetrate for 30 to 60 seconds, then wipe clean with a microfiber cloth. For tougher spots, gently lift with a plastic scraper or old credit card. It dissolves adhesives without harming your clear coat. Detail shops charge $60 to $120 for this exact service. Hack number 8. Refresh cabin air with essential oils. Musty, stale, or funky smell coming from your air vents. Take out your cabin air filter, add 5 to 10 drops of essential oil, lavender for calm, peppermint for alertness, or eucalyptus for freshness, and reinstall it. Every time the fan runs, your whole cabin smells clean and pleasant for weeks. Hack number 7. Prevent windshield fog with cat litter. Constant morning fog on the inside of your glass? Fill a sock or breathable bag with unscented cat litter and leave it on the dashboard overnight. It naturally absorbs excess moisture from the cabin air. Hack number 6. Remove interior scuffs with magic eraser. Black scuff marks and streaks on door panels and dashboard making your interior look old? Lightly dampen a magic eraser and gently rub. The marks disappear like magic without damaging the surface. Hack number 5. Stop serpentine belt squeal with baby powder. Annoying engine squeal when starting or turning. Sprinkle baby powder on the grooved side of the belt, engine off and cool. Start the engine. If the noise stops, you just saved $120 to $200 on an unnecessary belt replacement. Hack number 4. Protect your dashboard with a cheap sun shade. Intense summer heat cracking and fading your dashboard? Use a cheap reflective umbrella or basic sun shade for under $12. It dramatically reduces interior heat and UV damage. Hack number 3. Clean AC vents with a paintbrush. Dust and debris blowing into your face from the vents? A soft foam paintbrush for $2 lets you reach deep between the slats and clean them perfectly, followed by vacuuming. Hack number 2. Remove small dents with a hairdryer. Minor parking dent bothering you? Heat the area with a hairdryer for 2 to 3 minutes, then quickly cool it with compressed air or ice. The metal often pops back into shape, saving you hundreds at the body shop. Hack number 1. Stop surface rust with WD-40 and aluminum foil. Small rust spots starting to appear? Spray WD-40, let it sit, scrub with crumpled aluminum foil, then reapply a protective coat. This stops rust from spreading and prevents expensive bodywork costing $200 to $600. There you have it, 15 powerful, money-saving car hacks that most owners never discover. These tricks are simple, cheap, and incredibly effective when done correctly. Which hack surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments what car model and year you drive, and which hack you're going to try first. I'll reply with any extra model-specific advice you might need. If this video just saved you money and taught you valuable skills, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future videos. Next week, I'm dropping even more secret car care tricks that detailers and mechanics would prefer you never learn. Share this video with a friend or family member who's always complaining about high car costs. You could genuinely help them save a lot of money and frustration. Drive safe, stay smart, take care of your car, and I'll see you in the next